Hello, my name is Kylie and welcome to Words About Plants. In this video, we will be learning words used to describe plants. Get ready to plant some new words into your brain. Plants are everywhere. We grow them for food, medicine, clothing, paper, and even to show someone we love them. It's important to use the correct words when talking and writing about plants. Let's get started by spelling the most important word in today's video, plant. Spell it with me. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Most plants have leaves. Spell leaves with me. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Look at the picture of this flowering plant. Which parts are the leaves? Correct! Leaves help a plant make food, collect water, and protect itself. Next, think about which part of the plant is the stem. Let's spell stem together. S-T-E-M, stem. Take a look at our picture again. The stem helps the plant to stand up tall. Which part do you think is the stem? That's right! Good job! You sure know a lot about plants. Next, this part of the plant helps it stay in the ground and get water from the soil. These are called the plant's roots. Spell roots with me. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Good job. Okay, look at the diagram and find the part of the plant that is underground. Many people love flowers. Some plants have flowers and some do not. Let's spell flower together. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Look at the plant diagram to see which part is the flower. When we looked at our plant diagram, you notice we talked about where its roots were. They are in the ground. Spell ground with me. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Most plants need to have their roots in soil, which is in the ground. Soil is another word for dirt. Let's spell these two words together. Soil, S-O-I-L, soil, dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Plants need two very important things to live, grow, and be healthy. Can you think of what these two things are? One is sunlight. Did you guess sunlight? Great! Spell sunlight with me. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Light from our sun helps plants make food. The second thing is, you guessed it, water. Spell water with me. W-A-T-E-R, water. If you have any plants inside your home in pots, you know how important it is to water them. Take a look at this picture. What is the man doing? Right, he is planting seeds. Spell seeds with me. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Many plants start out as a little seed. They are planted in the ground, watered, loved, and will begin to sprout. A sprout is a word that means a baby plant. Let's spell sprout together. S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout. Some plants start from something called a bulb. Tulips are the most famous plant that starts from a bulb. Spell bulb with me. B-U-L-B, bulb. This pretty bud will turn into a beautiful flower. Which one? Wait and see. This flower will most likely bloom in the summertime. When a flower starts to show and is not opened all the way, we call it a bud. Spell bud with me. B-U-D, bud. When it opens all the way up, then we call the flower a bloom. Let's spell bloom together. B-L-O-O-M, bloom. What flower did the bud turn into? I hope you correctly guessed a rose. Let's review all 14 words we've learned about plants. Plant, leaves, stem, roots, flower, ground, soil, dirt, sunlight, water, seeds, sprout. What else did we learn? Bud, and you got it, bloom. Wow, that is a lot of words about plants. I bet you can't wait to show what you know. You can do all this by playing our fun online games and quizzes. Remember to help your learning bloom and always be clever.
Hey.